Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Always ensure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral. Carefully position the working vehicle near your Jeep, making sure the jumper cables can comfortably reach both batteries. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jumpstart process. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Locate the positive terminal on your dead Jeep's battery, which is usually marked with a plus sign and often covered by a red cap. Securely attach one red jumper cable clamp to this terminal. Next, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Ensure all connections are firm and stable. Next, we'll handle the negative connections. Take one black jumper cable clamp and attach it firmly to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. For the other end of the black cable, find an unpainted metal surface on your Jeep Grand Cherokee's engine block, away from the battery. Connect the final black clamp there. This grounding point helps prevent sparks near the battery, ensuring a safer procedure. With all cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive a sufficient charge. After this period, try starting your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Once your Jeep starts, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the exact reverse order. First the negative from your Jeep, then the negative from the donor, followed by the positive from the donor, and finally the positive from your Jeep. Drive your Jeep for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.